Hey, welcome back guys to SOP. Gonna give a quick little rundown of my tiny little work area here where I do stuff. As you can see, I have a couple fluke meters here. I gotta try and figure out if I can make one good one out of two. Guy said that one was bad and the other one he didn't know, so we'll find out. Gotta wait for some parts. Anyway, it's my little work area. You can see I got my soldering station, soldering over there. This is where I keep the bits. This is odds and ends of tools. Some more tools and stuff down here. Heat gun, charging my little driver right now. Extra USB port here. I use that for providing voltage, as well as I can use that for testing my computer power supplies. I make sure I get the proper voltages. Odds and ends down there. Here I've got more odds and ends, all computer related stuff. I keep my voltmeter up there so it's easier for me to see. When I'm testing things, I can look up and see it. Got a couple lights to help provide extra light. Shelf with odds and ends. Stuff to review. I still got to review these 3 items. I'm not reviewing the candy. It's not worth it. No, it's really not. Batteries I need for these. That's the camera I got to finish reviewing. So, you know, there's a flow to it. If I need to solder, I plug it in up here. I don't leave it plugged in. But then I can move everything around. I got a couple. These are magnetic mats. I will link to the store. Heath is a really nice guy. I've known Heath for a good many years. He owns both USGMC, and CowRC.com. He owns both of them. These are by far the best magnetic mats you can get, bar none. I've had these for years now. And while they may be a little bent up because of their age, they still function quite well. As you can see, this is from all my RC stuff. Then I put that in afterwards. This is from when I worked on guns for a while. Not doing that now. Maybe someday I'll get back into it. I don't know. Just around here, there isn't much money into it for a private individual to be doing it. But it's just a little teeny work area. Nothing special. I do have to get a few more things. I do need to get a hot air station. I'll probably replace that with a pair of hot tweezers so I can have everything for doing surface mount components. So as you can see, those are pretty tiny. And if I zoom way in, that's only 3x. And I have to be able to see, I don't think it'll focus. No, it won't focus. So, you know, that's pretty tiny. So come on, refocus. There it goes. There you see, that's pretty tiny stuff. And here, little pick tool, give you an idea. Maybe. Try again. These little components take hot air to remove properly. You're not just going to take and dump a soldering iron on them. Okay, where was I? Had an interruption. So, like I was saying, you're not going to take these tiny little components here and pull them off with just a soldering iron. It takes specialized tools, and yes, I do have experience using them from when I worked at the casino. That's why I have to replace what I've got so I can actually get back into doing things. But and then of course over there is the computer station. You know, there she is. It's all done up. Of course, you know. But anyway, just a quick little video. Sorry for the interruption though. Yes, it's still a mess, but with the prospect of having to move here soon. Unfortunately, may even wind up homeless in the process. That being said, we're trying. But this is my little work area while I can do it. So that's it for now. SOP says see you in the next review. Later.